Hey, what is up guys? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be unboxing the ESL X electrostat towers from MartinLogan. This is a really great tower speaker at a really good price point. They also have the ESLs, which are right below it. We typically recommend pairing these together with the ESL-C, which is right here to my right. As you can see, they do a really nice job of packaging this, and we bring it in on a freight truck so that there's no chance of it getting damaged like with UPS. First thing you're going to see when you open it up, a little instruction manual and warranty card. We are an authorized reseller of MartinLogan. We have a low price guarantee and nationwide free shipping. If you guys are looking online to purchase this item, make sure that you verify you are purchasing from an authorized reseller. If you don't purchase from an authorized reseller and something goes wrong with the speakers, you're out of luck. We're a local custom installation company here in Dallas, Texas. Well, that slides out of there pretty nicely. What separates this speaker from a traditional loudspeaker is the fact that this entire panel is your tweeter. It's called a transducer. So you get really nice spread of high frequency audio out the back and the front side of this particular speaker. Included is a 120 volt power supply. These are powered, which you can see in the back here. We did have to install power outlets at all our locations. And the reason we did that is because we just didn't want the wires, hanging across the floor. We wanted a nice clean install. Cradle these babies out of here. Okay. So they go through extra precautions to make sure this thing is well protected. Two layers. You have soft cloth and you have plastic to protect it. And this is what the product looks like. And it looks like we are good. I don't see any imperfections or damage from shipping. So let me give you an up close and personal look at this guy. So this entire piece right here is the tweeter. And then on the bottom half of this, we have a woofer. And I'm gonna take the grill off. There's one here on the back so that you guys can see that. Got really nice casters on the bottom. Very well built speaker. Everybody that I've ever sold these to has been very impressed with the quality of the product as well as the audio performance. And here's the woofer on the back side. Here's another great thing about MartinLogan. Check this out. Before leaving the MartinLogan factory, this product was subjected to a final sonic and visual quality check performed by the following individuals. Real people put their hands on this and verified that the product was good to go before shipping it out. As a custom installer, our time is valuable. We're out in the field putting this stuff in, so it's important that whenever we get there that the product works. And that's not always the case, Sometimes we do have defective products. Definitely not what you want when you're coming to an end of an install and you need everything to work. So we do appreciate putting this back cover on. Well, this is the quick unboxing. We're gonna install this in this theater room I'm standing in, and we're gonna do a complete video of that installation. We're gonna be running a 5.3.2 Dolby Atmos system. So check that out if you're looking for ideas for your own theater. If you would like to purchase this product or any other MartinLogan equipment, we are a dealer and we do have a low price guarantee with nationwide free shipping. Make sure to give us a call, shoot us a text or email. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.